Okay, let's unbox Daiwa frames. Light and Tough 3000 compact. Okay, nabili ko to sa Shopee. Okay, nakalagay dito made in Vietnam. Made in Vietnam yan. Okay, buksan natin. Ito pala frames. Ito yung kanyang specs. Frames Light and Tough 3000 compact, mag sealed, long cast ABS, automatic tournament drag, Tough jigger, and Zion Vibe body. So this is 5:3:1 ratio, 2,210 grams yung bigat, the max drag of 10 kilograms, then 80 cm bawat turn, at saka mayroong 5 ball bearings. Yung capacity niya is nylon 8 pounds, 150 meters. Pag 10 pounds naman 120 meters, and 12 pounds 100 meters. Kung braid naman number 1, capacity niya is 200 meters. Kung 1.2 braid, 190 meters, and 1.5 braid, mayroong siyang kapasidad na 170 meters. Ang kaya niyang is-spool. Okay, buksan natin. Made in Vietnam to. Okay, ito yung kasama. Yan, yung handle, screw type to. At saka yung pamphlet niya, at saka may extra drag washer. Yan, 3 pieces na drag washer. Yan, ito. Tatlong pirasong drag washer. So, balik natin. Ito yung handle niya. Okay. Yan, handle. Yan, screw type handle. Then, I-knob or T-knob. Okay. Lagay natin dito. Next, may kasama ito frames. Yan, ito yung manual niya, mga spare parts in Japanese. Yun, hindi ko mabasa, hindi natindihan, translate na lang sa Google. Yan, Daiwa frames. Ito yung mga parts, ito yung kasama, ito yung kanyang manual, yung brochure. Yun, ayan o, kasama dito. Nabili ko sa Japan store nito. Kalimutan ko, basta sa Shopee. Okay, ito na. Okay. Ito. Made in Vietnam. Vietnam yan. Made in Vietnam. Okay, mag sealed. Yan, nakalagay. Mag sealed. Okay, frames. Light and Tough. Okay. Yung air bell, magaan. May reverse, infinity reverse. Okay, ang kulay niya is silver with gray and gold. Yan, bago pa to, walang gas-gas. Okay, lagay natin, connect natin. Yan, isama natin. Yan. Kalimot na ako pa. Paano ba nito? First time ko. Ito. Ayun. Okay. So, ganito pala. Ganyan, tapos counterclockwise. Yun, counterclockwise. Sinsya nyo kayo, ngayon lang ko nakagamit nito eh. Yun, okay na yun. So, smooth. Yun. Smooth ang frames. Okay, mag sealed. Dito yun natin yung anti-reverse. Pabalik, oops. tawag nito, lock lang natin. Oops, okay na. So anti-reverse on, hindi na. Anti-reverse off. Okay. Anti-reverse on. Wala, hindi. Okay, gumagana. Okay, ito yung kulay niya. Daiwa Frames 2021 mag sealed. 3000 compact series. So made in Vietnam. Itong sound, drag sound nyo. Yun. Ito yung sound ng drag. Yun, ay na. Made in Vietnam. So ang max drag nito ay 10 kilograms. At ito yung kanyang specs. Yan. 5:3:1 gear ratio. 5:3:1 gear ratio. Ang bigat niya ay 210 grams. Max drag 10 kilograms, 80 cm per turn. Then 5 ball bearings. Yung pwede niyang, yung nylon 8 pounds, kaya niyang mag-spool ng 150 meters. Pag mas malaki na 10 pounds, 120 meters lang, at pag 12 pounds, 100 meters. Kung braid naman, number 1, PE number 1, 200 meters. Kung 1.2, 190 meters yung kaya niyang i-accommodate. At kung 1.5 PE braid, 170 meters. Okay, so from Daiwa. Made in Vietnam. Sa online ko ito nabili sa Shopee. So ito. Yun. Yasin natin. Okay, Daiwa Frames 3000 compact. Okay, yan yung tone niya. Tricolor, tritone, gold, silver, at saka gray. Okay, mag-seal na to. Okay, salamat.